Angie, there's something wrong with Buddy.
How can you tell?
He's been acting weird all day. The best part of the movie, and Buddy didn't even blink. Our longest skid ever, and he didn't even care. A triple spleen twister, and Buddy had no reaction. Something is wrong.
JD, it's a plant. You know, vegetation, non-responsive.
Non-responsive? Buddy's a Venus flytrap. Touch the hairs on his leaves twice and they snap shut and will dissolve you in his enzymes.
I'm a bit too big to be dissolved in your plant's enzymes.
Please, Angie. He's my pal.
Okay, how about giving him some TLC? That seems to work for Mom and her roses.
Yeah! Tender, loving care. Most plants are happy with the basics. You know, sun, water, dirt. But Buddy is special. He eats bugs, so fill up.
I don't think that's a good idea.
But it's tender, loving care for a total loving carnivore. Ah, he looks worse than ever.
You are so weird.
Commencing Edisonian projection sequence in 3, 2,
1. I do know a bit about plants, you know. I used bamboo as a filament in my first light bulb.
Yes, yes.
Did you feed the plant?
I gave Buddy a whole bag of dead bugs.
Yes, Venus flytraps are unique in that way.
But now he's worse.
Perhaps your little friend eats something else.
Yeah, like maybe ketchup, pizza.
Guys, fertilizer?
Of course, fertilizer.
And I know just the man you need to speak to, J.D. Von Bolt, if you'd be so kind. This little trip should take you about 20 minutes.
Wish us luck, Mr. Edison.
That, plus, you better hold your nose.
Huh?
Ew! What is that awful smell? Is that it?
No, not this either. Found it.
What is that?
My latest creation. Rich with nitrogen, yet delicate notes of potassium and phosphate.
And you are?
JUSTUS von LIEBIG, the father of fertilizer and purveyor of all things stinky, including old shoes, vet dogs, dead fish, and old cheese.
What exactly is fertilizer?
I'm glad you asked. Since ancient times, farmers all over the world have tried to grow bigger and healthier crops. At first, they used manure.
Manure? Like an animal manure?
Yeah, droppings, poop, dung. Just ask any dung beetle and they will tell you how nutritional it is.
Nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus.
Is that what this is? Dung?
No, much better. By chemical process, I have managed to create the same nutritional compounds of manure in a more powerful version called fertilizer. Come, see my personal collection. The summer of '36. Excellent year for potassium chloride. Different blends of 3 elements, potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus, produce different chemical combinations. Too much nitrogen leads to too much leaf growth. It's these compounds that make a plant happy and healthy.
We have those ingredients in our secret lab.
Then you can make fertilizer for yourself. Auf Wiedersehen!
Finally, fresh air.
Need any help, JD?
No thanks. I'm gonna take care of Buddy personally. One batch of JD's super duper fertilizer. Don't worry, Buddy. Your pal is here to save you. Stupid cork stuck. Say you're gonna feel so much better. Now, all we can do is wait.
Hey, you! Are you turning green?
He probably used too much nitrogen.
What are you talking about?
Did you spill any of your goofy fertilizer on yourself?
No. Maybe. Yes. Okay, gobs of it. Why?
We need to get that off before something bad happens.
Wait, stop! Water.
Okay, that's a little weird.
Doesn't the sunlight taste good?
You're turning into a plant!
Let's get him in the shade!
No, need sunlight.
Now what?
Keep him in the shade. That seems to be slowing down whatever's happening to him. Quick, pull him out!
Dirt.
Angie, this is bad.
Yeah, if this continues, he could become a salad.
We gotta reverse the process before he gets worse. Everyone think, who knows a lot about plants?
How about a nursery?
Good enough. Let's go! Hello? Anyone work here?
Petunia, I've never seen anything like this before.
Why, Forrest, this would look perfect in our solarium.
So, where's this brother plant of yours?
He was right here.
Well, he sure didn't get up and walk away.
There he is.
JD!
They want our plant, Forrest.
Give me back my brother!
No, she thinks the plant is her brother. How cute and delusional.
Run along, little girl, before I call the authorities.
You rang?
Like I said, he's my brother!
Oh, we should have gone to the secret lab in the first place.
Does that mean you've got an idea, Nikki?
Well, no, not really.
Look, let's just get JD back in time to save him. Hello, officer.
Hello, young lady. What's the rush?
We gotta save our friend.
He's turning into a vegetable.
Nikki, he might not be a vegetable.
Well, your friend has nice flowers.
Sun.
Did that thing just talk?
No.
Yes.
Maybe. That's why we need to get him back to the lab, sir.
Water.
I need to lie down.
Good. The lab is just at the bottom of this. JD, are you in there?
We're too late.
At least you look good in your living room.
I don't want you to be a plant. I'm not good with plants. I couldn't even help you with Buddy.
Buddy?
Yes, Buddy! Buddy needs you!
You're right, Angie. Let's go, guys.
I'm sorry, but you may feel some discomfort.
It'll be worth it, Mr. Edison.
I hope these sudden changes affect JD like it does other plants.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Wow, it's like a sauna in here. Cold!
Feel any different?
Well, now that you mention it. Fumble, turn the lights off again, okay? Buddy! I'm back! Ah! Angie! Ken! Somebody help!
Welcome to my secret lab.